Hi, it's Thomas Cook from Toronto's real estate team at RE/MAX Hallmark, and here is our August 2012 Toronto Real Estate Market Report. August had some dramatic changes in the downtown condo market, and the overall GTA market slowed a big 9% sales drop compared to the last 11-year average. We're going to talk about what's occurred in the August market as we go through this month's report. So, let's review some of the Toronto Real Estate Board market statistics. August MLS sales totaled 6,418 houses and condominiums in all the districts. This sales number was down 12.5% from 1 year ago, and it was 3.1% below the average for August since the year 2000. Condo townhouses and high-rise suites maintained a 32% share of the market, with 2,063 units changing hands. The August average sale price came in just above $479,000, up 6.1% from 1 year ago. East of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO8 downtown Treb district, the condo sales price average was basically flat at $390,000, while west of Yonge and CO1, the average dropped to $387,532. I'll give you more condo market details in just a few minutes. As you can see from this Toronto Real Estate Board monthly sales graph, August sales are down from 2011 but above 2010's numbers. These sales numbers are close to 200 homes below the August average over the past 11 years. Certainly the elimination of the 30-year mortgage financing option on July the 6th is having a dampening effect on the overall market, and especially the first-time buyer market, including condominiums. Whether that will continue through the fall and winter markets remains to be seen. It will affect the move-up market as well if current condo owners can't get what they want for the sale of their suite to allow them to move up to a single-family home. The total listing inventory declined this month, down 6.3% from July. There are two measures for tracking the Toronto Real Estate Board's listing inventory. One is new listings, as shown here. They declined by just over 2,100 homes from July, and the overall inventory was down by about 1,300. This indicates that despite a lower inventory, homes were staying on the market longer and not selling. Part of this is happening because sellers have so far not adjusted to the new reality and are still thinking their homes are worth more than the market is indicating. This slowdown is giving buyers a terrific window of opportunity, as houses and condos which are languishing on the market can be purchased at market value with some negotiation by your buyer agent. The August average sale price of $479,095 was up 6% year over year, the second lowest increase we've seen this calendar year. I believe our year-end average will end up in the $485,000 to $490,000 range. The average year-to-date is up 7.6% compared to the same 8 months last year. That number has been steadily declining since February, when we were up 9.6% compared to the same period 12 months before. The sales to listings, or percent chance of selling ratio, is how we determine what type of market we're actually in. 24 to 28% is a neutral market, below 24% is a buyer's market, and above 28% is a seller's market. In August, that ratio dropped another 4% to 33.7%. Continuing a decline from 57.3% during the spring market peak back in March. This number puts us barely into seller market territory, a big shift since the March, April, and May spring market. Mortgages are still very affordable, and the 5-year fixed term rate is around the 3.1% mark. That means a monthly payment on a $100,000 mortgage with a 25-year amortization is just $475. And many banks are continuing to offer 30-year amortizations for people with more than 20% down, so there are still some amortization options out there. Listing inventories are still below historic norms. August was off 6.1% from the 2000 to 2011 average, and was actually lower than in July. While the overall Treb average has lengthened slightly again to 28, the days on market numbers for downtown condos east and west of Yonge were 31 to 33 days. Detached Toronto homes are taking longer to sell at 23 days on average, and more affordable semis have slowed down to 21 days. As you can see from the graph, August's average home price was again higher than August of last year, and was just very slightly higher than July. So far, the year-to-date average sale price is just over $496,000, which is up a reasonable 7.6% over the first 8 months of last year. We're certainly not seeing large sale drops like Vancouver has had in recent months. Perhaps their problem is that the economy in China is slowing quite dramatically, and less cash may be flowing from there to our west coast. Forced removal of many first-time buyers has caused the downtown Toronto condo market to slow quite significantly in August. Condo average sale prices were down 8.2% year over year in CO1, west of Yonge and south of Bloor, and basically flat in CO8, east of Yonge and south of Bloor, compared to 1 year ago. These negative or flat average sale price numbers could be partially explained by a 19% increase to 1,168 condo suites in inventory in CO1 from August 2011, while listings in CO8 were up a significant 48% to just over 375 apartments. However, more significantly, the ratio of sales to listings in CO8 dropped further into neutral market territory at 26.4%. while CO1 west of Yonge was further into market territory at 21.3%. Both numbers were down from July. Condo sales numbers downtown were dramatically lower by 33 to 37% from 1 year ago. So, what's your next best step to find out if this may be the right time for you to step into the market? The best first step is to go on a market experience tour of condo or house neighborhoods. What it's not intended to do is find you your dream home. What it is intended to do is to give you some idea of what's available in the market in your particular favorite parts of the city. Once you've had your tour, you'll be better able to make a smart decision as to whether now is the right time for you to buy. You can sign up for your condo tour at dailydowntowncondotours.com. That's dailydowntowncondotours.com. and a tour of houses at dailytorontohometours.com. That's dailytorontohometours.com. All the best, and check back here in early October for our September Toronto Real Estate Market Report.